A patient sued for malpractice and diagnosed problems with one state's standard jury instructions in Nowatske versus Osterloh. Dr. Mark Osterloh performed surgery on Kim Nowatsche's eye to try to repair a detached retina. The surgery was known to raise the pressure inside the eye, which could cause blindness. A routine follow-up after the surgery revealed that Kim was blind in his right eye. Kim sued Dr. Osterloh for medical malpractice and argued that Dr. Osterloh didn't properly monitor and treat the pressure in his eye. At trial, Kim's expert testified that if Dr. Osterloh had used reasonable care in treating Kim, Kim wouldn't have become blind in one eye. Dr. Osterloh's expert testified that Dr. Osterloh used reasonable care, and the increased eye pressure didn't cause Kim's blindness. The judge used portions of Wisconsin's standard jury instructions for medical malpractice for the jury charge. The first paragraph instructed jurors to compare Dr. Osterloh's conduct to an average specialist in the same specialty as Dr. Osterloh. The second paragraph stated that physicians needed to use reasonable care. It also stated that a bad result didn't mean that Dr. Osterloh was negligent, and physicians don't guarantee results. The third paragraph addressed different treatments. Dr. Osterloh could have chosen any recognized treatment method and wouldn't be negligent, even if an expert disagreed with his decision. The jury returned a verdict for Dr. Osterloh. Kim appealed, raising many arguments, including defects in the instructions. The Wisconsin Court of Appeals certified a question to the Wisconsin Supreme Court, asking the court to confirm whether Wisconsin's standard jury instruction for medical malpractice claims accurately stated negligence law.